gotta be prepared. Nobody's taking over our box. Yeah. Let's get some more. Just in case, a little something extra. Can't be too careful. Whew, we're all done. But now what do we do? Good point. Let's go get our Nintendo Switch upstairs. Oh yeah, let's do that. We can have our tea party now.
Yeah.
Let's go play some Hello Neighbor. Yeah. Wait, Shawn, look. That says no boys allowed. What? The girls are in there.
That's right. And we're having tea party and lunch right now, so you're just gonna have to wait.
We'll see about that.
Boys.
I know what this means. Let's get the blasters. Ready to rumble.
Let's get the tri-brakes, Shawn. Okay. Let's go get these newbies out of our box for easy peasy lemon squeeze. All right, girls, party's over. It's time for you to move on out of our box fort.
I think we're fine just where we're at, boys.
Yeah, we're fine right here, boys.
It's a battle you want, it's a battle you'll get.
Hey!
Let's get him, Lauren. I'm out, Chase. I'm out too. Let's go.
They'll be back. Okay, let's go.
Ooh. They don't stand a chance.
I'll take this one.
These upgrades will keep those boys out.
In here. These Fortnite blasters will definitely get them out of our fort. For sure. Ready, set, go. Wait, Shawn, this time you go that way, I'm gonna go this way. Okay. They're back.
Wait a minute, it's only Shawn. Where's Chase? I think they're gone, Lauren.
This time, Shawn, let's get those girls out of our box fort.
Girls roll.
Tea party? I don't think so. Not in our box fort.
You ready, Lauren?
Yep.
I don't think so, Shawn. Uh-oh.
Karlie, I'm
You can't get away from us that easily.
Whoa!
I always thought the girls were aliens. So what do we do now? I don't know. Go play on the Nintendo Switch? Sounds good to me. Guys, don't forget to like this video. Ah! Aliens! Get to the box fort!
Man, our brothers are so weird.
I know.